Hello, dear friends. This is Akash. Today, I am going to discuss the topic, and the topic is related to polity. It means the Constitution. And today, I will going to discuss about the preamble of Constitution. So, first of all, we have to know what is preamble and what do you mean of preamble. We know that in our Indian Constitution, the preamble is the soul of Indian Constitution. It is said that preamble is the soul of Constitution. It means heart of Constitution. And we know that the India had made its Constitution in 26 November 1949, and it was completely adopted in 26 January 1950 during the Republic Day. So we have to understand what is preamble in actual and what is the sense of preamble in actual manner. So we have to listen and understand. Preamble means what is actual things written in our constitution. We have to listen the things. So first of all, it is written in our Indian Constitution like that: "We the people of India hereby solemnly faith to make India as a socialist, secular, sovereign, and democratic republic, and we will make India as a secular social." Secular means what? Secular means there is no official religion of nation, and socialist means the leading of production sector which are controlled by the government, and the purpose of resources and factor of production are equally provided to each and every citizen of their nation. It's the meaning of socialism. It means socialist. And the meaning of sovereign. Sovereign means India is independent to make a decision and take a decision. India can make a decision and take a decision, and nobody can refuse to and oppose to India to take a decision that the India wants to take the decision. No one can refuse in this manner. And it means we can understand hereby to solemnly faith in India make a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. What is the democracy? The government should be elected by the people. It means the head of government should be elected by the people is called democracy. So we have to understand that democracy is a form of government. There is no system of monarchy. This is a system of government. There is the head of government which is elected by the people of nation, and who will become the head of nation. And we have to understand it is mentioned in our constitution like that: socialist, sovereign, secular, and democratic republics, and to protect to all citizens of its nation. And comes to there are four kind of things like justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. So first of all, we have to understand it. What is justice? In our constitution, there are three kind of justice like social, political, and economical. Government will provide you justice like social, economic, and political, and people enjoy these justice and these enjoys their rights. It is clear mentioned in our fundamental right also, and it is clear mentioned in our Indian Constitution. The equality means equality of status and opportunity, and people enjoy their equality, and government will help to provide their rights and their remedies. And the meaning of liberty is to faith of belief, thought of expression, faith, belief, and worship. It means anyone can live in our nation and he can enjoy his rights, and he can do worship. He can do his worship like he wants to. It means he believes in God, which God and which religion he can enjoy it, and he can shape and protect his religion, and he is independent to take decision in this manner, and no one can refuse to do the worship of his God and Goddess. No one can refuse it. Okay, it means liberty, equality, and justice. And comes to next point, fraternity. And what is fraternity? Fraternity means the individual dignities of Indian people. It means citizen, and it means everybody citizen have a right, and everybody citizen wants to live with the pride and ambition, and no one cannot oppose the people, and they can do enjoy their rights, and they will be live happy in this nation. And we must be now that we have to save to protect the nation integrity and the nationalist things, and we have to save the India as a nation. And last is the hereby to inform that 26th November at 1949, today hereby to inform that we will make sovereign integrity. India is a nation independent, and we will make the Constitution of India. It is mentioned in our Constitution preamble, and we know that preamble is the introduction of Indian Constitution. And we have a proud of our nation and our Indian Constitution, because Indian Constitution is the largest constitution of the world, and today we are enjoy the constitutions because we are enjoy our rights, and we are live safe, free, fair and free in this country, in this nation, because of Indian Constitution, because Indian Constitution help to each and every citizen of Indian people, and this is very beneficial. And we know that we have take there are so many provisions from many constitution of the world, and today we are enjoy it because each and everything which helpful for us. And we have a proud of our nation because we are the first nation. It means we are the people of the world first who make the largest constitution of in world, and we have the largest written constitution of the world, and we know that we are the largest democracy of the world. And this way I will complete the topic, and thank you so much if you comments, and you can suggest me up any kind of topic that I can make video and I will publish. Okay, and I have wait of your comment. Please must comment, then I realize and I read what's your comment in actual. Thank you so much.